Hello everyone watching. Philosopher Stoner 666 here. So I wanted to make a hopefully quick video about something I've been thinking about to distract myself from everything. I've been trying to decide if Islam is more patriarchal or matriarchal. So here's what I thought before, and I had somebody, I think they've changed my mind, and I thought I would share it. So what I thought before, I thought Islam was a patriarchal religion. You have in biology, study of mammals, or certain animals, wolves, pack animals, have a hierarchy, right? So you have the alpha male, you have the beta male. Alpha male is like the leader of the pack, strong, very dominant, very aggressive, gets most of the women. Then you have the beta males. You have all the different classifications. I think there was a guy named Vox. Yeah, Vox. It's his theory about hierarchy, and this applies to humans as well, too. So, some examples of an alpha male would be like John Wayne, Rambo, but it can take other forms as well, too. Social dominance, basically leadership. Society is mostly made up of, beta males and beta people, though. They're not alpha. Anyway, so Islam is basically a beta male religion. So it's done because it's patriarchal. It favors the male sexuality. And you had a guy like Muhammad was the alpha, and he said to all the beta males, okay, go fight for me. Go declare a jihad, and when you die and go to heaven, you're going to get 72 virgins or whatever. Meanwhile, he was back at the harem or whatever, fucking all the women and stuff. And yeah, Islam has, arranged marriages and that sort of thing. It's in favor of the man because the men are unattractive. Basically, women don't find beta males attractive. So it was a way they formed coalitions, and then they forced women to be able to get married to them and reproduce. And that's why their society stinks. I'm not a feminist in a traditional sense. I believe like gender ratio. Anyways, that's a whole other topic. But anyways, that was my perception of Islam, why it's screwed up. Because there's too many men and too many beta males. Anyway, so I encountered a different perspective talking to someone, and they told me they thought that Islam's matriarchal. So how they explained that to me was, I'm badly paraphrasing here, but they said it's the women that do it, not the men. It's a way to control men. So they have the burqa, they have the veil, whatever, and women's beauty is concealed to men. And there's a polarity, right? There's masculine and feminine. And so the men being denied the woman's beauty, they have no opposite. So they're the masculine, but they have no feminine to see, and it screws them up. And that's why they want to kill themselves, because they're denied access to the woman's beauty, to sex, to whatever, and it's a way to control men. So I think we really kind of maybe hit the same conclusion. It has something to do with sex. It's why it's a pretty neurotic, screwed up religion these days, is because it's sexually dysfunctional. But I don't know if it's the women's fault or the man's fault. I see it's more the man's fault. I see it's more like guys like Muhammad caused the problem. It's not exactly a